How to see messages that you deleted on Instagram. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see the messages that you have deleted, not the other person, on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So open up Instagram. Let's say that you're on the DMs page and then you happen to delete a specific message over here, right? So maybe you delete a whole message in and of itself, or maybe you go ahead and simply delete inside of it. Depending upon whatever the case may be, you can actually go ahead and then download those messages again. So in order to do that, Instagram has a feature to download the information. For that, you have to come back, then come to your profile page from here, then tap on the three lines icon from the top right, then go to the option called your activity. So just let me come back over here, then I'll just go to the three lines and then go to your activity here. Once I come to the your activity tab, scroll down, and then over here under it you'll find the option that says download your information, right? So you want to go ahead and tap on that option. So over here it will ask you to get a copy of what you've shared on Instagram. This includes all of the followers, following list, and of course your messages as well. If you're lucky, the messages that you actually deleted will also be included in the file that Instagram will be sending you in your email. So go ahead and simply make sure to enter your email address, and within a couple of days period of time, Instagram is going to collect all of the data of your account and then send it to you. And that's how you can see deleted messages that you have personally deleted on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.